Matt Quinn and the crew from Vanier Secondary School believe that their robot's unique design will help set them apart from the competition.
Our robot is kind of, it does everything ideal.
Autonomous mode! Go!
So the challenge was on, and 31 teams from across the region were in town recently to compete at the 3rd annual VEX Robotics Tournament held at Vanier School in the Comox Valley.
They have basically designed robots using the VEX kits that are purchased by the schools to accomplish specific tasks. So this year our task is putting the little donut rings onto the pedestals. Essentially the ladder in the middle of the course enables, there's points to be had if your bot can climb that ladder.
For competitors like Matt Quinn, VEX robotics competitions are not only fun to participate in, but the problem solving, strategic designs, and competitive atmosphere make for excellent training opportunities.
Personally, I'm thinking in engineering or some sort of science of some sort. Definitely an academic sort of thing.
So to get that unique view of just how VEX competitions work, we've mounted a small camera to a robot supplied by Richmond's Cambie Secondary School.
Their aim is to score as many tubes on the goals as possible and to own the goals by having their color tube on the top of the ring. So the game changes in competition and becomes a much higher stake game depending on who they're playing. They want to win, but they don't want to win by too much.
Robotics programs have seen steady growth in BC schools in recent years.
Typically 5 years ago, there was like maybe a dozen teams. 400 teams went to the Worlds last year. So it's continuously evolving. We're trying to get our kids at the elementary levels to start to buy into the Lego robotics. Once they get to high school, they transition right into VEX. And it's an awesome program.
And then there's 4 cones.
It's a fairly pricey program. You know, one VEXBot kit could be upwards of $600 to $1,000. $600 to $1,000. So that slows it down a little bit, but for the most part, the popularity is growing incredibly.
So how did Mac's team do in competition?
It's going good. We've had a lot of technical issues, though. We don't know. We really don't know.
That's the challenge, isn't it?
Yeah.
School District 71 hosts a website specifically for the robotics programs in our local schools, designed for students, staff, and parents in the Comox Valley with an interest in robots and robotics. In Courtney, for Shaw TV, I'm Franco Noviello.